Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the action-packed world of action cams, exploring the top 5 contenders that are setting the bar high in 2024. So whether you're an adrenaline junkie hitting the slopes or a travel enthusiast exploring new horizons, there's an action cam on this list for you. Let's jump right in and see what makes these cameras the best of the best. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Number 5. Akaso Brave 4 Elite. The Akaso Brave 4 Elite is a versatile and affordable action camera designed to capture your adventures with clarity and precision. Record stunning 4K video at 30 fps or smooth 1080p footage at 60 frames per second, ensuring high-quality results for your videos and photos. The Brave 4 Elite features electronic image stabilization to minimize shake and vibration, providing smoother and more stable footage. With a 2-inch touchscreen and a 170-degree wide-angle lens, you can easily adjust the field of view to capture the perfect shot, whether you're filming landscapes or action-packed scenes. The Brave 4 Elite comes with a waterproof case that allows you to dive up to 131 feet, making it suitable for underwater adventures and water sports. The included wireless remote control lets you start and stop recording, take photos, and change settings from a distance, making it ideal for capturing group shots or selfies. In summary, the Akaso Brave 4 Elite offers impressive features at an affordable price, making it a great choice for beginners, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts looking to capture their adventures without breaking the bank. Number 4. GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. The GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini is a compact and powerful action camera that packs a punch with its advanced features and performance. The Hero 11 Black Mini features a sleek and compact design, making it easy to carry and perfect for capturing on-the-go moments without weighing you down. Despite its small size, the Hero 11 Black Mini delivers stunning 3K video resolution at 60 fps, ensuring your footage is crisp, clear, and vibrant. GoPro's renowned hyper-smooth stabilization technology is integrated into the Hero 11 Black Mini, providing gimbal-like stabilization for smooth and steady footage, even in the most challenging conditions. Create captivating time-lapse videos with Time Warp 4.0, which automatically adjusts speed based on motion, scene detection, and lighting conditions, resulting in dynamic and cinematic sequences. With its durable and waterproof construction, the Hero 11 Black Mini can handle water depths of up to 33 feet without a case, making it ideal for water sports and outdoor adventures. Take hands-free control of your Hero 11 Black Mini with voice commands, allowing you to start recording, take photos, or tag highlights with simple voice prompts. Easily share your adventures in real time with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. The GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini offers exceptional video quality, advanced stabilization, and a range of creative features in a compact and portable package, making it a top choice for adventurers looking to capture high-quality footage on the move. Number 3. Insta360 One X4. The Insta360 One X4 is a cutting-edge 360-degree action camera designed to capture immersive and dynamic footage. The One X4 captures stunning 6K 360-degree video, allowing you to capture every angle of your adventures in incredible detail. Insta360's advanced flow state 2.0 stabilization technology ensures smooth and stable footage, even in the most dynamic and fast-paced environments. With features like bullet time, hyperlapse, and time shift, the One X4 offers a variety of creative shooting modes to help you capture unique and engaging content. The Insta360 app offers a range of AI-powered editing tools, including automatic framing, object tracking, and smart track, making it easy to create professional-looking videos with minimal effort. With its durable and waterproof construction, the One X4 can handle whatever challenges come its way, making it ideal for water sports and outdoor activities. The One X4 also pairs seamlessly with the Insta360 app, allowing you to edit and share your footage directly from your smartphone. The Insta360 One X4 offers impressive 360-degree video capture, advanced stabilization, and intuitive editing tools, making it a top choice for adventurers and content creators looking to push the boundaries of storytelling in 2024. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a high-performance action camera designed to capture your adventures with stunning clarity and precision. The Osmo Action 4 delivers impressive 3K video resolution at 60 frames per second, ensuring your footage is sharp, detailed, and vibrant. DJI's advanced rock-steady stabilization technology provides gimbal-like stabilization, allowing you to capture smooth and steady footage, even in the most challenging conditions. Capture rich and dynamic scenes with HDR video and photos, which enhance the contrast and color of your images, providing stunning visual quality. The Osmo Action 4 features dual screens, including a front-facing screen for easy selfie framing and a rear touchscreen for intuitive navigation and control. Take hands-free control of your Osmo Action 4 with voice commands, allowing you to start recording, take photos, or switch modes with simple voice prompts. Enjoy extended recording sessions with the Osmo Action 4's long-lasting battery, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. The Osmo Action 4 also pairs seamlessly with the DJI Mimo app, allowing you to edit and share your footage directly from your smartphone. The DJI Osmo Action 4 offers exceptional video quality, advanced stabilization, and a range of innovative features in a compact and durable package, making it a top choice for adventurers and content creators looking to capture high-quality footage in 2024. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the latest flagship action camera from GoPro, packed with innovative features and enhancements to elevate your content creation. The Hero 12 Black delivers stunning 3K video resolution at 60 FPS, capturing every detail with incredible clarity and color accuracy. GoPro's advanced Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization technology offers gimbal-like stability. Create captivating time-lapse videos with Time Warp 5.0, which automatically adjusts speed based on motion, scene detection, and lighting conditions, resulting in dynamic and cinematic sequences. The Hero 12 Black features enhanced low-light performance, allowing you to capture vibrant and detailed footage even in dimly lit environments. With its durable and waterproof construction, the Hero 12 Black can handle water depths of up to 33 feet without a case, making it ideal for water sports and outdoor adventures. Take hands-free control of your Hero 12 Black with voice commands, allowing you to start recording, take photos, or tag highlights with simple voice prompts. Enjoy extended recording sessions with the Hero 12 Black's long-lasting battery, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. Easily share your adventures in real time with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. The Hero 12 Black also pairs seamlessly with the GoPro app, allowing you to edit and share your footage directly from your smartphone. In summary, the GoPro Hero 12 Black offers exceptional video quality, advanced stabilization, and a range of creative features in a compact and durable package, making it a top choice for adventurers and content creators looking to capture high-quality footage in 2024. Alright, that's all for today's video, guys. Please drop a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this.